Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to our brand new video. I will show you today how to use AI or ChatGPT for horoscope. So basically guys, I will need you now to go to your device, and basically I will need you to go to any browser that you have in your device. For example, for me, I'm on PC and I'm using Google Chrome. Now I will go to this URL section and type open AI. Now, as you can see, this is the ChatGPT official website. I will just hit try here, and it will take us directly to this website. So basically, guys, now what I need you to do is connect your account if you don't have it. If you have it already, if you don't have it, just create one. Pretty simple. Just create it with Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter account. Now, guys, I will need you to do something, which is go to this section which you can type, and for example, let's say, what is my horoscope for today? For example, so let's see. I'm sorry, I'm a machine learning model and I don't have the ability to predict horoscopes based on today's date. However, you can find today's horoscope for your astrological sign by searching online or consulting a horoscope app. So let's say for example, what is the horoscope for for example, let's say 202 2020, let's say. I'm sorry, it still doesn't help us, guys. So, for example, let's see. I'm sorry, I'm not be able to predict based on specific dates. When my knowledge is cutoff is 2021. Any horoscope are not within my training data. However, you can find, for example. So, let's say, for example, first, what is a horoscope? Let's say if it can give us at least an information about it. So, what is a horoscope? A horoscope is an astrological chart or diagram representing the position of the sun, moon, planets, astrological aspects, and sensitive angles at the time of an event, such as the moment of person birth. The word horoscope is derived from Greek word meaning hour and security, observer of the hour. The horoscope is used as a tool for understanding and interpreting. So basically, guys, the AI itself can't really give us information about the horoscope, our horoscope, or etc. But it only can give us some information about it, its definition, etc. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.